Hello everyone, I'm SammyMicroPad.net and today I'm going to show you how to root your Android emulator. Now this is a very basic tutorial, but one that I should have done a long time ago since I do a lot of tutorials using Android emulators. Now, how to root your Android emulator depends very much on the emulator that you're using. However, in my opinion, having tested pretty much all of them, I have three favorite ones that I use for rooted apps. Now, why three? Because not all of them are compatible with all apps that need a root because of their infrastructure and so on. It's a very complex issue, but essentially not all of them are the same. Not all of them are compatible with every rooted app, and that is why I'm using three. Now, the three that I am using is Knox App Player, BlueStacks, and MeMu. Okay, mainly. In very rare cases, I will go to other ones, but these are my main ones. You will find download links for those in the description below, or you can just Google HackerBot emulators and you will find the article of my top rooted emulators. In the future, if those change, if I have other favorite ones that are compatible with more stuff, game cheating apps, mods, and so on, then I will update this article. You'll find the most up-to-date links there. Now, let me explain why those are my favorites and why I recommend that you use those in order to achieve your root. Knox App Player, okay? My numero uno. There's a very good reason why I chose Knox App Player. There's lots of advanced functionality about botting and so on. Doesn't matter. Rooting Knox App Player is very easy. All you need to do is install Knox App Player, click the little settings wheel at the upper right corner and enable your root. Now, the emulator will have to restart, but after that you have an enabled root. It works perfectly, as you can see here. Root checker basic, congratulations, root access is properly installed. There you go. Works perfectly. It's compatible with most rooted apps and mods, which is why I make most my videos on rooted apps using Knox App Player. And as you can see, sellout incoming. HackerBot APK is installed on this device, which allows me to find game cheats very easily, simply starting up HackerBot APK, the wonderful app, and go to find free cheats in order to find cheats for any mobile game on Android or iOS or any other platform that you want to cheat on. Anyways, sellout done, and we can move on. So, this is Knox App Player, my absolute favorite. Now, why do I have three? Well, I have three because some apps do not work on Knox App Player, but do work, for example, on BlueStacks. Now, this is not the latest version of BlueStacks. This is an old version of BlueStacks. In order to root this version of BlueStacks, I had to download a tool, a third-party tool. You can probably find it by Googling BlueStacks root tool. It's a program you have to download, and then it will patch your BlueStacks in order to make it rooted, okay? And you need the right tool for the right version of BlueStacks. So the reason why I'm using it is because older game cheating apps, like for example Game Killer and similar ones, Game Hacker, they only work on older Android versions, older infrastructures. So that's why I'm using an old BlueStacks version. The good thing about BlueStacks is that you can disable the automated updates and whatnot, so you can actually run old apps. So it's still compatible with older apps, which is great, since game hacking apps and mods and so on do not always get updates, as we all know, if we are cheating in games regularly on Android. So that is why I'm using BlueStacks. It's a lot harder to root, but for compatibility purposes, BlueStacks is actually pretty good. Of course, it's annoying that there's a lot of ads embedded in everything and whatever. But there is also upsides when it comes to compatibility. However, I still like Knox App Player a lot better. It's more stable. It's overall compatible with most everything that I want that is up to date. Now, the third one that I'm using, and this one is arguably the easiest one to root, but the worst when it comes to compatibility, is MeMu. Okay. MeMu, let me just close these ones. MeMu comes rooted out of the box. You don't have to do a singular thing, okay? However, the compatibility with game hacking apps and mods is meh at best, okay? but it is by far the easiest to root. It comes, as I've said, with root enabled by default, and I think it has an admin panel as well. So that is just awesome. However, what I recommend for you guys is just go for Knox App Player. If Knox App Player is not working for a particular app that you're using, try MeMu. It never hurts, although it's very rare that something that doesn't work on Knox App Player works on MeMu. And if you're really desperate to get something working, use BlueStacks. Use an older version if it's an older rooted app, and try to make it work with the third-party rooting tool. The third-party rooting tool is really easy. You download it, you choose the folder where BlueStacks is installed, and essentially it'll patch the whole thing. All right. So that's what I recommend doing. Knox App Player, by far the one that I use the most, the easiest to root. It's just 2 clicks essentially. With BlueStacks, it's a little bit more than 2 clicks. But if you really need the compatibility, it's worth going through the trouble. And MeMu, the easiest to root, but not compatible with everything you would want it to be compatible with due to its different infrastructure, which in my opinion isn't quite as good as the one of Knox App Player. But together, they make a good team. Together, using these 3, I am almost always able to make a video work for you guys. So yeah, of course, you can also just use your phone, but I wouldn't, because if you break your phone's done with. Anyways, guys, if you are looking for game cheats, of course, as always, or mods for your Android or iOS or whatever games, go to hackerbot.net. You can download HackerBot APK as well, that you can see right here in the middle of the screen, and it will allow you to find free cheats. For example, for Roblox, it has that nice death noise that goes something like "ooh," right? That's pretty nice. So hack. I shouldn't do this while talking. Anyways, Free Finder on hackerbot.net will allow you to find free cheat downloads, which is obviously awesome because anything that's free is great, and cheating in video games has always been one of the most fun you can do, especially if you are using a rooted emulator. Anyways, guys, for the download links for the emulators that I've showed you, link in description below, as always, or Google HackerBot emulators, and you'll find the article as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped. I'll see you guys later.